Hello everyone, welcome to Friday Vocabulary. In this video, we are going to see a simple vocabulary called stay, S-T-A-Y, stay, and the collocations used with stay. You all know very well, vocabularies decide the quality of speaking. So, correctana vocabulary, correctana place la use பண்றதா நம்மளோட language ஓட strength வந்து காமிக்கும். So, and in this video, we are going to see collocations with stay. Are you ready? Let's get going. Welcome back. What is collocation? Collocation is nothing, it is a group of two or more words almost put together to give a specific meaning. And this is a part 2 video of collocation. Already we have seen collocation with have. If you want, I have given the link in the description, you can go and check it out. So the collocation number 1 with stay is stay focused. Stay focused அப்படினா கவனம் சிதறாம இருக்கிறது. You have to concentrate on what you do. That is called as stay focused. So you can use it in a sentence in this way. So always stay focused on what you want to accomplish. Always stay focused on what you want to accomplish. Accomplish means எதை நீங்க அச்சீவ் பண்ணணுமோ அந்த விஷயத்துல ஃபோக்கஸ்டா இருங்க. That's the meaning. Always stay focused on your studies or goals. Always stay focused on your studies or goals. Collocation number 2 is stay updated. Stay updated. Updated means you should know all the information up to date. Till date வரைக்கும் எல்லா விஷயமும் தெரிஞ்சிருக்கிறதா என்ன அப்படின்னா updated. Always stay updated with the latest technology. Always stay updated with the latest technology. So even our mobiles has to be updated within a few days or a month. So update your mobile அப்படினு சொல்றோம் இல்லையா, update the latest version. Similarly, we should also stay updated with the latest happenings of the world. Collocation number 3 is stay blessed. Stay blessed. It's very simple. You use wherever you go. So if you want to wish anyone happy birthday, stay blessed forever. Happy birthday, my hearty wishes, stay blessed forever. It is a frequently used phrase in our everyday casual conversation. Next, collocation number 4 is stay together. Stay together. So stay together means ஒன்றாக இணைஞ்சிருக்கிறது. That is stay together. So how to use it in a sentence? In spite of difference of opinions, we stay together to prove our friendship. So in spite of difference of opinions அப்படின்னா எங்களுக்குள்ள கருத்து வேறுபாடு இருந்தாலும் எங்களோட ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஷிப்பை ப்ரூவ் பண்ணுறதுக்காக we stayed together. That's the meaning of this sentence. The collocation number 5 is stay calm. Stay calm. So various situations நிறைய இடங்கள்ல we need to use this word stay calm. அமைதியா இரு. That is the meaning. So no matter whatever the situation is or however the situation is, stay calm. That means எந்த ஒரு situation எப்படிப்பட்ட சிச்சுவேஷனாக இருந்தாலும் எவ்வளோ வேர்ஸாக அந்த சிச்சுவேஷன் இருந்தாலும் we have to stay calm. That is the meaning. No matter how worse the situation is, stay calm. The collocation number 6 is stay safe. Stay safe. This phrase was used in the past for friendly farewell. Farewell means நம்ம friends, relatives, நம்ம near and dear ones வெளியில் நம்மளை கடந்து போகும்போது விட்டுட்டு போகும்போது we used to say this word stay safe. Happy journey, stay safe அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். But in this corona period, now we are always saying that stay home, stay safe. Stay home, stay safe. இதை வந்து பிரிக்க முடியாத ஒரு ஃப்ரேஸாக மாறிடுச்சு. We'll meet again after a break, stay safe my friend. We'll meet again after a year, stay safe my dear friend. So this is a farewell message. We'll meet again my dear friend after a year, stay safe my friend அப்படின்னு நம்ம சொல்லுவோம். Next, collocation number 7 is stay in touch. Stay in touch. It is a phrase that you have to use when you leave a person. இனிமேல் அவங்கள பார்க்க முடியாது இல்லை பழக முடியாதுங்கிற சுச்சுவேஷனில் வரும்போது we can use this word stay in touch. ஒரு கம்பெனியை விட்டு வெளியேறோம் அப்படின்னா இனிமேல் அவங்கள மீட் பண்ண முடியாது அப்படின்னா we can say stay in touch. I'll give you my contact number, please stay in touch. I'll give you my contact information, let's stay in touch. So or I'll mail you whenever I find time, please stay in touch. Collocation number 8 is stay overnight. Stay overnight. What is the meaning? Means staying in a place as a guest or a visitor for a whole night or throughout a night. ஒரு இடத்துல நைட் ஃபுல்லாக ஸ்டே பண்ணி இருக்கிறத என்ன சொல்லுவோம் அப்படின்னா stay overnight. Ramu stayed overnight in the office and went the next day. Raju stayed overnight in the office and went next day. Collocation number 9 is stay behind. stay behind. Stay behind means we have two meaning here. ரெண்டு விதமான meaning வந்து stay behind க்கு இருக்கு. You can go ahead, I'll stay behind to help you. நீ முன்னேறி போ, நான் பின்னாடி இருந்து help பண்றேன் அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். You can go ahead, I'll stay behind to help you. So another meaning is பின்தங்கி இருக்கிறது. பின்தங்கி இருக்கிறத என்ன சொல்லலாம் அப்படின்னா stay behind. Ramu has to stay behind because he never completed the project on time. So ராஜு வந்து பின்தங்கிய நிலைமையில தான் இருக்கணும், ஏன்னா அவன் இன்னும் ப்ராஜெக்டை கரெக்ட் டைமுக்கு முடிக்கலை. The last and final one in our list is stay forever. Stay forever அப்படின்னா எப்பொழுது எங்களோட வாழ்க்கையில் இருங்க அப்படின்னு அர்த்தம். Stay forever. Let's peace and happy stay forever in your life. ஸோ அமைதியும் சந்தோஷமும் எப்பொழுதும் உங்கள் லைஃப்பில் இருக்கட்டும். Let's peace and happy stay forever in your life. So that's it with the lesson today. And the last one is final tip is stay tuned. Stay tuned அப்படின்னா வெயிட் பண்ணுங்க, காத்துருங்க, இணைந்துருங்க அப்படின்னு சொல்கிறதுக்கு we can use stay tuned. Stay tuned with my channel to watch more interesting videos. That's it with the lesson today. I'll meet you with another interesting lesson. If you like my work, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. That will motivate me to give me more videos, and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. I'll meet you with another interesting lesson. Thank you. Bye-bye.